Today we're gonna make an easy chicken stew with baked potatoes. But before I start, I have to get 10,000 likes. So give a like and then I start cooking. So give a like now. Let's do it. It's not that hard. Everyone can give a like. If some stupid tourist review can get like 1 million likes, I should get 10,000 likes at least. So give a like and then I start cooking. My pan is on fire and I add a little bit of olive oil in it. Hopefully you already like my page, otherwise I will find you. And then we add the onions and garlic. And that's it. Now we have to wait. I already put my potato wedges in the oven on like 220 degrees for like 25 minutes with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. That's it. So my onion and garlic is baked. Now I add my chicken. So my chicken is baked, it's time to add the mushrooms. I do loads of mushrooms because it's very healthy, lots of vitamins. That's it. Stir it and now we have to wait for like 2 minutes and then we can add the rest of the ingredients. So the mushrooms are also done. Now I add my bay leaves and dried thyme. Stir it for a little bit. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. So I add a heap tablespoon of flour. Two tablespoons of creme fraiche. A little bit more. And a teaspoon of mustard. And then we add chicken stock. That's it. Stir for a little bit. And then we let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll have a look how it goes. So it simmered for 10 minutes. Now I add my frozen peas in it. And it has to simmer for 5 more minutes. So my chicken stew is ready. And my potato wedges are ready. Now it's time to eat. So I put the fire off. And then we add a little bit of chicken stock. Loads of veggies, loads of vitamins, and a great taste. I love it. Add the wedges. That's it. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. I forgot to tell you guys that this is a perfect dish for kids. All the kids will love it. And if it doesn't love it, this recipe, just leave a comment and then I'll find a recipe which your kids will love. Thank you.